Well, folks, we're in the stand. It just caught my mind soon. I had to hold the blind down. I thought the wind was gonna blow me away, but it's calmed down. It's just barely raining. It's like a sprinkle, but we're in a good setup. These deer come out over here to my left and just eating the field, so hopefully we get a little action tonight. There's some turkeys been coming out as well, so it can go either way, turkey or deer tonight. But it's going to turn out to be a good evening. Hopefully Team Maxwell and Sandy can score here in Kentucky tonight, so stay with me and let's see what we can do. Well, folks, I shot that turkey once in the back. That's wild. I shot that turkey about 40 yards right then over here to my left. But I shot her right here straight in front first, and I hit her in the back, and she just stood there like nothing even happened, and she started walking over to my left, and I got another shot at her. And I hit her right then and she flew right at me. I hope I got that on film. But she's right over here. I definitely hit her good that time because I seen her fighting it off over here over at the edge of the field. But that was a 45-yard shot on that turkey right there. But I put a thumping on her that time. Well, she landed right over here somewhere. I'm heading over where I thought I saw her go down. Oh, right there she is. Found her.